Hi everyone, Sabby here. I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in 3 weeks. Here is me dancing on Dua Lipa's new album, but I couldn't use it because copyright issues. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with a foundation. It's matte. It offers medium coverage because, as you can see, my face is not in a great condition at the moment.
Close and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted.
I always feel so bougie wearing this concealer from Yves Saint Laurent. I actually got it from Sephora in Dubai last year. It feels like forever ago, throwback to when we're able to actually travel, but that's no longer happening this year. Anyway, so I'm trying to cover up the bags under my eyes because these past few weeks I was busy studying for my finals and the semester is finally over. Yay, no more Zoom University for me. And now I'm also putting concealer to cover up the pimples that I have. They're kind of like small pimples, but they're still annoying, so I'm trying to cover them as much as possible. And sorry, I was keep looking at the camera because I don't have a fancy setup, so I always have to check to make sure that my camera doesn't stay out of focus because that has happened plenty of times before. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and as you know, I don't do anything crazy to my eyebrows because I like the shape of them already, so I just fill them in.
What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me.
I'm going in with dried Petal, shade number 1, and it's a white shadow, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid so I can help build that base. And it's my first time trying this brand called I'm Meme. And now second shadow, Cotton Rose. It's kind of pinkish, like a really light pink, even though it doesn't look like that on the eyelid for some reason. Anyway, I'm applying that all over the eyelid. I really like the palette so far. It's super pigmented and it also applies easy, so I totally recommend you getting it. And the last shadow I'm gonna use is number 7, which is Nostalgia Garden, and I put that in my crease. So I'm gonna bring my eye look to the next level, and I'm using this glitter called Valentine Pink. I really like it. Applies really nicely using that little wand that it comes with. This is what it looks like on the eyelid, beautiful. And for the winged eyeliner, oops, I did that off camera. And now I'm applying Cotton Rose and then Nostalgia Garden under my eye so it helps make my eye pop.
Okay with me. Okay. I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way.
And now mascara. I have used this in my videos before. And now I'm applying blush, but on the top of my cheeks, so it makes it look more natural. And I actually like that it's not super pigmented. And hello, it's Tom and Jerry collection. What can I not love about this? And now I'm applying lipstick from Laneige. Is that how you say it? I never knew how to pronounce the brand name. I'm sorry. Anyway, I have only tried their skincare line before, but I absolutely love this lipstick. It's so easy to apply, creamy, and also perfect for an everyday makeup look.